Hello and welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. I remember myself as the great Johnson Keys. Alright, so in today's lesson, I'm going to be showing you a very nice 736-251 chord progressions, chord voicings rather, in the key of F. And we're going to use my favorite song. You know the song. If you follow this channel, you know this song already. That's For you are great. You do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. Alright, so today it's gonna sound like this. For you are great. You do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. So let's get to the business of the day. Our one chord remains the same, your F. Anyhow you feel like playing that. So I have a F, C, and F on the left hand. On the right hand, I have a A minor 7. That's a A, C, E, and G. Right. So you do. This is a spiritual chord. Right. We have a on the left. You have a E and D. E and D. Right. On the right hand, I have a B flat. What? B flat major 7, sharp 5. Another chord still. So we have a B flat, D, F sharp, and then A. Right? So then your 3 chord, or you do something like this. Your 3 just hold 3 on the left. That's your A. Then on your right, you hold G, C sharp, and F. Right? Or the one I wanted to show you before. That's a C sharp, F, A, and C. Then for your 6 chord, a very nice chord. On your left for 6, you do D and A on the left hand. Then on the right hand, you do a C, E, G. Right? Then for the 2, you have a very nice chord too here. We have on the left, you have a G and F on the left. On the right, we have a B, E flat, and then A. Then the 5 chord, another nice one. You have your 5 chord. Sorry. That's a C and G on the left. On the right, you have a B flat, E flat, G, and B flat. Then another nice one. These chords are just really, really nice. If you can hear what I'm hearing. Right, so for the 1 chord, we have a F and E flat. That's for the 1. And then on the right hand, you have a A, D, F sharp, and A. Then to your 4, which is a B flat and F on the left. On the right, you have a A, D, F, A. So together it goes like this. For you are great. You do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. Right. There is no one like you. Alright, click the subscribe button for many more. God bless you. See you in my next video tutorial. Bye.